How was it to work with the Confident Dancers team? I really got a robust experience working with the Confident Dancers because what I appreciated the most from them is the feedback I would get. I also really appreciated a lot of things that we did to get your mindset in the right place. And I felt like the structure that was set up was really helpful, and the homework and the feedback. I found a lot of that to be incredibly motivating for me, but also made me feel very comfortable and to be able to see that progress as we go along as well. Do you have noticeable changes in your confidence or skills? I definitely think so. I feel like I see it in my other dance styles too, which I think is kind of important because when you are cross training or you're learning a different style and you're learning it alongside what you normally train for, I do see that the difference is there. I do feel a lot more comfortable if I hear certain music coming on. I'm comfortable grooving to it as opposed to just stiff. So I think that's been a very, very important part of it for me. What were you able to take away from the one-on-ones? I really feel like the one-on-ones were so personalized and customized in the best possible way, because not only am I getting the feedback directly as it's happening, but also I felt that my skills and my strengths were emphasized alongside the improvements I needed to make. And I really felt like I was getting the culmination of everything that you've learned so far to what you're doing on the one-on-ones, which I think is incredibly, incredibly useful. Would you recommend the Confident Dancers? Oh, absolutely. I would absolutely recommend the Confident Dancers team because I think what they do is create a safe environment, a positive environment for where you can grow and you can become the best version of you as a dancer. And that's what I find really sets them apart, because it's not about dancing like somebody or about getting the choreography down exactly or anything like that, but it's really just about becoming the person that you are when you dance, and also about finding that internal pulse, being able to hear the internal pulse and feel it in your body when you dance. And I think that's a big change that I've seen. So 100% would recommend them. Can't recommend them enough. They are also the nicest people and the most encouraging, and the kind of feedback they provide you is incredibly helpful and constructive. And I really appreciated getting the mindset tips, because I think even just having a new way of thinking about things is such a positive force in terms of any kind of coaching. So thank you so much, Melissa and Joshua.